What's up, gadgeteers? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have another EDC review for you, and this one it comes from Ridge, and this is their bolt action pen. It's available in different colors, and this one it's in royal black because I like black. But right off the back, very nice packaging from Ridge, as always, designed for life. A little information on the back. This is about 133 millimeters and 11 millimeters wide. Bolt action pen. The Ridge bolt action pen was designed intentionally to be used as your daily writer. Be confident taking it wherever life may lead. Boom, designed for life. There you go. Very nice packaging. Let's see what we get inside when we get this beautiful pen. A little pamphlet right there with what the back of this had, basically. Built for the best, CNC lathed neural texture grip, and a magnesium spring steel clip. Boom. There you go. But let's take a look at this bad boy. Oh my God. What else is included with this? I think that's it. Nothing else. Very nice, got some nice heft to it. Very nice bolt action, actually. Feels very good. This is the Olight. This is probably like 4 times cheaper than the Ridge. But you can hear the difference. Hear that difference compared to the Olight? Don't get me wrong, this pen is absolutely fantastic. But you can definitely feel the difference. Very nice, very subtle pen, Ridge branding right there. The clip itself, nothing too fancy about it. You unscrew it here. It does have an O-ring, and these are refillable cartridges. This is a 310 Easy Flow made in Germany cartridge. You can go ahead and put that bad boy back in there. Tighten this bad boy up. You do have like a screw up there too. I don't know what for, but let's see how this bad boy writes. Let's see how it writes. First of all, I love the bolt action. Feels very good in hand. Oh my God. This thing just feels nice and smooth. It just glides through this paper. Oh man. This thing. Yeah, this thing's a real deal. Absolutely fantastic pen right here. It absolutely writes very smooth. The ink cartridges are replaceable. So this thing is going to last you. Very nice, sturdy pen. It's nice and made of steel. It's going to be able to, you can basically take this wherever life takes you, as they say, designed for life. The Ridge bolt action pen. If you have any questions regarding this pen, leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!